in the upcoming 2020 Olympic Games qualifier matches to be held in Stellenbosch University, South Africa from August the 12th to the 19th. The provisional team has 18 men and women. With barely less than a week remaining to the kickoff of the tournament, Kenya's participation in the tournament is still in limbo as the government is yet to facilitate the team's travel. Kenyan men are in Pool A alongside Nigeria, Uganda and host South Africa, while the women's team will lock horns with South Africa and Nigeria. The Sports Disputes Tribunal has